Okay. I like the dog better. Okay, change me for the frog for that one. Wait. I think they're the same song. No. I can't hear it. Is this Mary Had a Little Lamb?
They're all Christmas songs.
I know.
They're written around the label.
It sounds like Mary Had a Little Lamb, though. Santa Claus is coming to town. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Jingle Bells. You got both of them together. I did it. That was your plan, right? It's like a Christmas card. Like a video. I want to make